Well, we came over here today in the International Harvester pickup truck. I needed to take it for a drive. Let you have a look at it. International. And I just wanted to take it for, well, a Saturday run. I don't drive it too much, but it's a good little truck. I shouldn't call it little. It's a pretty big truck. It's got the full-size 8-foot bed in it. And I got it painted up. Good for another 50 years. Now we're going to walk to our favorite duck pond. Yeah, it's not really a duck pond. More of a place in the river that barely runs in the winter.
Hey, look, ducks and crows are flying still around. Lots of birds up there in the pecan groves.
Yeah. Well, maybe there's, if they crush the pecans, there would be some food in it.
Well, they have the tractors running right now to clear up the land.
There's doves up in that tree.
That's doves.
Yeah.
We don't have any doves right now. I think they went over here by the river. They have more probably protection here from the hawks.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? The hawks?
What's that?
The hawks? I don't see any hawk here.
No, they're all in my backyard.
Which is kind of weird because this is where the birds are. Should have a whole lot more here. Those are ducks over there. It's the way they fly.
Yeah.
They're like, cannonballs. The crows are a lot more agile.
There's a shot of the Oregon Mountains. Now we're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, and the next day, I say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Frankly, I don't believe them, and probably just get cloudy and maybe some wind, but I don't think it'll amount to anything. What do you think, Lynn? You think it's going to rain?
Well, look at the clouds. It seems like it's kind of low and dark. Maybe it will rain.
We can use it.
Yeah, maybe we could use some rain. Are those ducks? I think those are, huh? Right in the horizon?
Yeah.
Because this is the way they flap their wings. They're kind of slow.
We haven't had any significant rainfall here for months.
There's a white-winged.
White-winged dove up there.
I see a finch too, but the white-winged's over here. There's more white-wings over there too. Some white-winged doves there.
That's hawk food right there.
Well,
they love them.
Well, people eat them too, I believe some not eastern, but southern part, like Texas and stuff. They have doves. There's a whole bunch of blackbirds over there.
The road here.
Are those blackbirds up there? Yes, they are.
They sure are.
They're blackbirds. Who eats blackbirds?
I don't know. I've heard of blackbird pie, haven't you?
Yeah, but I think
how's that rhyme go? Birds and a blackbird pie.
I don't know the rhyme. They're big, the crows.
Yeah. Over there's some mistletoe. Yeah.
Those are big birds, Chip. Blackbirds, crows.
Now that one headed out. The birds, they don't like the camera on them. This is salt cedar over here.
Well, this salt cedar here, it's used for windbreak and erosion control, but it's actually good for the birds because they can hide in there. Oh, look over in the horizon. Look at those blackbirds.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big flock, don't you agree?
Man, must be 100 or more.
That's a big flock. blackbirds.
Doesn't fly like a duck, so it must be a blackbird. What's another name for this salt cedar? I forget.
Cypress, some kind of a cypress.
Really? It's not native over here, is it?
No, they imported those to plant as windbreak and erosion control.
Yeah, it sure took hold.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a very a sturdy plant.
There's some more blackbirds. And up in front's a hiker.
Get cabin fever, you just want to get out.
Yeah.
So get out. Because there's no mosquitoes right now. It's winter time. Summertime, you might end up with skeeters.
No, I don't even see those Rio Grande gnats. Well, I'm glad you're not making me hike to that other place because it's not worth it.
We're just going to go in the first clearing, which would be like yonder there.
Yeah.
The tree. That's a duck over there. See the way it flaps around?
Duck made me dizzy.
Couple more. 3 more. Whole bunch of ducks. There's a whole flock over there.
They must have seen me coming.
No, there's more flock over here. They're coming in and out. There's more over there, see? Over there. They're just coming and going.
I wonder where they're going. Seems
Over
a
there.
little bit late to be traveling inland.
You can hear the tractor over there. Maybe they're cutting something down.
But they're flying inland, and their home is along the river.
I think they're probably going to the pecan groves, and then once this tractor's gone, they'll come back. You see, they're circling.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think they took off because of the tractor. They might be cutting the reeds right now. You know how they.
You know what that sounds like to me? That doesn't sound like a tractor. That sounds like one of those four-wheel TRX four-wheel motorcycle or whatever they're called.
It might be, going to the dry riverbed and scaring them.
Yeah, that'll make them fly for sure.
But once that one is just gone, you know what you and I need? Sometime we go to Walmart, they still have the stock. I would say
Need biscuits, frozen biscuits for
yes,
one
we're
thing.
gonna need anyway, but I think you and I need some of those skull caps, those knitted caps,
I call them toboggans,
toboggans.
but they're not. Yeah, I know what you mean.
We'll get a couple, just for evening runs or something like today.
Here comes a duck straight at us.
Yeah, there's a duck.
No, that's not a duck.
No, there's a crow. There's the 2 ducks up there in the horizon. But there's ducks over here. But you don't want to go too far, okay?
You know, when they close this dam off in the winter, Elephant Butte, this river, what's left of it coming down, you can never tell how it's going to meander.
There's ducks over there.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of where they were last time. But you know what? This looks like it's got less current on it this time around.
This current and deeper.
Seems, yeah, it does seem deeper. I bet if the light was shining,
You might see some fish.
might see some fish.
There's blackbirds over there, but not as many as the last time.
No.
This looks like a fishing river right now.
Yeah, it does. What do you think this grass is? Grass, reeds?
The reeds.
Mm.
They look like reeds.
I feel lucky to be able to come out here. I'm sure a lot of people in the city would appreciate it as well as I do.
There's a couple of ducks.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear the, what is that?
Red-winged
The
blackbird?
red wing. I hear, yeah, this couple is bird watching.
I think they got binoculars.
That's what I'm saying, bird watching.
I don't see any video.
No, well, no, the guy has a video too.
Does he have a video camera?
Yeah, I see it. From his side too.
Oh, I saw a camera flash. It looks more like a camera to me.
They got both videos.
What do you think causes these I don't know, mounds of dirt?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
I don't either. But you see them all around.
True. I don't know.
Just little mounds of dirt. Something's been digging in there pretty good. Look how the blackbirds have settled in on that tree over there, those trees, that brush. That's a low-flying duck. I'll have to make a video on how you get over here. Look at the birds coming back in. Here's the ducks.
Yeah.
They're pretty fast flyers, aren't they?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
They can. They fly real quick. It's hard to photograph when you're trying to follow.
Yeah.
They're fast. Ready to go back?
Well, let me go over here to this bush first.
Okay.
You want to follow me?
Yeah.
Give you an idea where we're at. Oh, look at those birds. Wow. That's at hundreds of whatever it is.
Blackbirds.
Yeah. They're all over there in the pecan groves. And the moon, you said the moon's up there. You know what, Lillian? They were predicting about 5 inches of snow in the mountains. I don't know. It's definitely deeper. It's definitely deeper over here, right through here. Because this is shallow over here. Beautiful sound. Beautiful. Well, you ready to head back? At least it got one thing going for us today. It's not windy.
No, it's not.
No. International. 52 years old. Made in 1972.
I didn't lock my side.
You didn't?
Nope.
Well, they don't have anything to steal.
Okay.
Well, folks, we're heading home. I'll show you how to get here sometime, but not on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.